Hello, hello friends, welcome back to my channel Cryptocurrency Update Daily. And today's topic is when will digital currency replace money? So everyone thinks about that the digital currency is nowadays very popular and it will definitely replace money. And I have made 30 points on this topic. Please listen carefully. And the first point is that replacement of the physical cash with digital currency is a complex and evolving process. While it is difficult to predict an exact timeline, here are 20 points to consider on when digital currency might replace physical money. The technological advancement, the pace of technological innovation will play a crucial role in the transition to digital currency. Like widespread adoptions, digital currency will need to achieve widespread adoptions and acceptance among business and individuals. The next point is government initiatives. Government-led efforts to digitalize their national currencies can accelerate the transition. And economic stability. Economic stability and trust in the digital currency system are essential for replacement to occur, and regulatory framework. Clear, comprehensive regulatory framework will need to be established. The next point is financial inclusion. Ensuring that digital currencies are accessible to all, including the unbanked and underbanked, is critical. Infrastructure development. Adequate digital infrastructure must be in place to support the transition. Robust security measures will be necessary to protect against fraud and cyber threats. The next one is privacy concern. Balancing privacy with transparency in the digital transition will be a key consideration. The interoperability of the system must be able to work together, allowing for cross-border transactions seamlessly. Education and awareness. Public education about the benefits and usage of digital currencies is essential. Global collaborations. International collaborations will be required for global transitions. And reduce cash usage. As digital payment becomes more convenient, the use of physical cash will decline. Central bank digital currency, the introduction of CBDC, central bank digital currency by central bank, can lead the way. The cryptocurrency adoptions, the integrations, cryptocurrency like Bitcoin and Ethereum into mainstream finance could drive adoptions. The next one is the fintech innovation. Fintech innovations, solutions and platform will play a crucial role. Payment system integration. Digital currencies will need to seamlessly integrate with the existing payment system. Trust in technology, trust in security and reliability of digital currency. Technology will be paramount. And the next one is economic crisis. The economic crisis and currency devaluation can expedite and shift to digital currency. The demographic shifts as young generations more accustomed to digital transactions, age and adoptions of digital currency is likely to increase. The timeline for the replacement of physical money with digital currency will depends on complex interplay of these factors and many more. It's an ongoing process of